sir. Sir, I take the opportunity to participate in the discussion on the third batch of demands for grant for the year 2025 and 2026 relating to roads and building, commercial taxes, excise, tourism and culture, forest and environment, administration of religious endowments, and sports and youth services, school education, higher education, and technical education, sir. Sir, now, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir. Sir, I know that the moment I started, I noticed you watching and seeing the watch, sir. No, sir.
मैंने टाइम तो लिखना पड़ता ना.
जी हाँ सर, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ सर. You are absolutely right, sir. I'm not questioning on that. I just noticed that you were looking at the watch. But what I'm trying to say is that, sir, earlier whenever the demand used to come, there used to be 3 subjects, sir, or maximum 4. But now, if you have to see the paper, sir, almost 11 demands are there. Sir, if 11 demands are there, and if I speak 10 to 15 minutes also, you can imagine it would be 120 minutes.
2 hours.
2 hours, sir. So I hope that at least you will give me 10 minutes to speak on one demand, sir. If not 15 minutes, sir. Sir, I mean, I'm trying to be very realistic, sir. Because, sir, if you have to have a healthy and a successful democracy, you have to have that patience of listening and tolerance of taking the criticism and then coming up. But here, sir, what is happening is that we just want to fulfill and complete the constitutional obligation or the responsibility of having a discussion. Taking up 10, 11 subjects, sir. And, sir, one more important thing, sir. Sir, when we discuss on the demands, sir, we do not get all the demands at one time, sir. एक वक्त 3-4 आते, फिर एक 4-5 आते, फिर बोले अरे इसका नहीं आया कहाँ है ये, इसका डिमांड कहाँ है बोले तो फिर वो आता, sir. Sir, without seeing those books, how can we come and participate? Sir, speaking on in big public meetings or speaking on streets, speaking in grounds is different from the speaking that has to be done in the house, sir. Those are purely political speeches. Here it is mostly based on statistics, sir, and reports, sir. So that is why, sir, I request, sir, when I'm starting, sir, I request you, sir, it is very tough for me also,
मैं
sir.
कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं दी है, मगर इतना है कि हर मेंबर का तो एक टाइम तो लिखना.
Sir, every member, sir, I'll tell you, sir, every member is speaking mostly.
रिकॉर्ड तो रहना पड़ता.
Sir, I have been listening right from the initiation of this discussion on the demands. Most of the members have spoken only on education, sir. But I am speaking on the entire batch, sir. Entire batch. And I request that 10 minutes. And sir, it is tough for me also, sir, to speak so long, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, I have a problem with my stomach. I don't have intestines. And it is very tough to speak, sir, but still I try to fulfill my duties, sir. And secondly, sir, it is tough because this is a Ramzan time. Sir, we are fasting, we cannot even have a drop of water, no food. But still, I do not want to mix sir, I do not want to mix my health or my religious belief with my responsibility. But my only submission is that, sir, kindly give us some sufficient time so that we could really do justice and we could really do justice to the people who have sent us here to do a specific duty of, welcoming the good decisions of the government and criticizing the wrongdoings of the government, sir. Sir, starting from